sumusuporta sa normal blood sugar. Sentiment Bands.
Oo nga. Kalida ka pa
New
yun.
Jollibee Crunchy Chicken Sandwich. Crunchy. Tasty. All that sarap in every bite. New Jollibee Crunchy Chicken Sandwich. 59 pesos lang.
Wala na guys yung CCTV.
Oh!
Woo! 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 Baka inaantak lang tayo dito. Kailangan magising tayo dito. Kailangan ko ng bagay na mapagpapagising sa atin. Siguro kapag uminom tayo ng kape para magising tayo. Hello guys, my name is Ellen. Welcome back to Fear of Ellen. Today ay nagbabalik tayo sa panibagong Roblox short creepy horror story. At ito ay walang iba kung hindi ang Headship on Road 90. At sa harap natin guys ay nandito ang libro para basahin natin at malaman kung ano ang kwento sa Route 90. Kaya guys, tara samahan niyo ako. Pwede naman, pwede magkakaroon ng bawal suligaw. Let's play the game. This kid occurred back in 19... Saktong-sakto guys, dahil may nakaabang dito sa labas natin. Uy! Saan ko sa inyo May nakasilip na dito Kailangan ko magtago. Hey here, okay? So, sarado na itong pintuan. And taday! Hindi siya kita, di ba? Di ba hindi siya kita? Ang galing natin magtago. And hello guys, my name is Eric. Welcome back to Hero of S. So today's game ay maglalaro tayo ng The Man from the Window. So basically guys, ito ay horror game at mayroon daw tao sa window at sana doon lang siya. Sana huwag siya pumasok sa loob ng bahay natin. Sana doon lang siya, tama ng kidlat at matapos na ang game nila. So, alamin natin yung mga napatagalin pa. Let's play the game. The Man in the Mirror. Oh, Jordan, hindi naman. Hello, bakery, Barbie. Oh, wow. Wow. Ano yan? Ano to? Ba't bigla pumasok to sa bahay natin, ha? Nag-deliver ng pizza. Chubby Bunny, thank you. Anong gagawin mo? Nag-deliver ka na ng pizza tapos pumasok ka na sa bahay ko? O, baka tayo. Tayo, Mama Rabbit. So, ito pala tayo, Mama Rabbit. Oh, my stars, I am tired. What a long day. Seems like I keep getting home later and later, but that just seems sometimes. I ain't giving up. I'd better try to get some sleep. Okay, matulog na tayo. Gonna need to be up bright and early to cook breakfast for the little one. Oh, so mayroon pa tayong mga baby bunny. Ayun. Ay nga, may baby bunny. Payat. Ang payat na parang pinapakain na. Mama, Junior, what on earth are you doing up this late? You know you have school tomorrow. But Mama, the man from the book is gonna get me. Oh, what man? What book? The man in my storybook. See? Oh, the man from the window. Libro pala yun. Man from the window. Give it here. Baka babasahin ni Mami. Si Mami naman yung matatakot. Si Mama Rabbit. The man from the window is quite odd fellow. With his big, beady eyes and sunken nose. Why, he just wants to say hello. As he smiles from ear to ear. Oh, di mo sabihin malaki. Abot yung tenga yung ngiti niya. The man wanders the quiet night. Through alleys and backyards he goes, making very sure to stay out of the sun. He silently peers through windows, searching for one thing and one thing only. A new friend is all he wants. For the man is very, very lonely. Malungkot lang naman. Ang friend lang naman pala yung gusto niya. Once he hears tapping at the window, you will know he's found a new friend to play. For now, you have only 5 minutes before he takes you away. Okay, diyan ka magtago At ako, paano ako? Di ako nakapagtago Nay! It was exactly 2 a.m. when the man approached the front door. So, as usual, guys, dumaray-diretso. Nakakita agad ako. The man had found his new friend. Bunny. Paano yan? Wala na nanay si Baby Bunny, si Junior. Ano yung sasabihin ni Junior ngayon? Oh, naiiwan mag-isa. Tataka siya, nasa na yung nanay ko. Mama, the man is gone. You can come out now. Really? He's gone. Mama, I can't stop hiding. Please. Kaya alam na kung ano yung nanay niya. Laki-laki yung nanay niya, nakita. Paano nangyari yun? Ulit ng game na to. Isa pa. Hindi tayo titigil hanggat di natin na matapos to. Okay guys. Tingin ko, alam ko na para mapagtago tayo. Gunto para mapagtago. Kailangan tangi na isip kong paraan para mapagtago tayo. Kasi lahat, hindi tayo kasya. So, mag-abang ko lang tayo 3 minutes. Pag ako nakita dito, ewan ko na lang. Dinaya tayo. Ayun na guys. Ayun na. Sana success yung pagtatago natin. The man had found his new friend. Kita agad tayo doon. Kaya kasal ko ito ng pintuan. Daya lang. Epic fail yung pagtatago natin. Isa pa. The man from the window. Pero sa pintuan, dumadaan. No. Okay guys, binasa ko ulit yung libro. So tingin ko may gagawin tayo ito maganda eh. Kuhin natin yung susi. Tapos buksan natin itong donuts. Baka kumain siya, di ba? Open the box. Let's open the box. May maraming donuts siya. Baka kumain the man from the window. And you come in. Follow me. So habang kumakain yung the man from the window, dito ka magtago. Tapos tumakbo ka palabas, di ba? Ganun dapat gawin mo. Hi, Junior, under the table. Okay, all set na. Diyan ka magtago, Baby Bunny. Habang kumakain donut yung monster, tumakbo ko na palabas. Tapos tayo naman dito pwede magtago sa kama. Buksan natin to para kunwari natin tayo sa kwarto. Tapos pasok tayo dito. Wait lang. Pasok muna ako dito. Napasok na yung demand. Uy, kitang-kita si Baby Bunny. Naku, lagot. Corner, huli agad si Baby Bunny. Uh-oh. Ay, hindi. Nakita niyo yung donut. The man spotted the box of donuts sitting on the table. Oh, come on. Kumain ko na lang donut. Kinain lahat eh. Yung tao naman nun. The man took an entire minute to eat them all. Yeah. Sana, masiyar siya. The time was now 2 Okay. 3 minutes na lang guys. 3 minutes na lang. Doon ka pumasok sa, bukas sa pintuan. Nakapuhuli. The man looked inside the washtub. Hello! The man had found his new friend. Di pa rin gumana. Lock natin yan. And, tapos lock din natin itong front door. Lock natin yung front door. And come na. Come here. Let's lock the front door. And the bathroom door. And let's hide. Okay. Sana mapagtago na tayo guys. Sana gumana to. 30 seconds lang kapag yung maliit na kuha ginamit natin guys. Uy, okay. Kainin mo yung donut. So magiging 2 minutes na. Ay, kumain. Naku, sa bahay siya. Kasi nga, kumain siya. Dapat nagtago tayo sa CR. Hindi ako nakita. Kasya ba ako dyan? But he found nothing. No, man. Pumunta ka sa kwarto, please. 3 minutes, guys. 2 minutes na lang, guys. Pumunta ka sa kwarto. Yes, thank you. Dito yung nakita. The bedroom door had been locked. The man spent 30 seconds ripping the bed door lock off. Oh, walang tao dyan. Look under the bed. Oh. That found nothing. Sorry. Okay, guys. 4 minutes. Naku po, 1 minute pa. Naku, wag ka pupunta ng banyo, please. Diyan ka lang, lumig ko. No. The man looked inside the fridge. Walang tao. Money found natin. Okay, sana makataas tayo. The time was now 2:05 a.m. Guys, nakaligtas tayo. The man's time was up. And he knew it. So as quickly as he arrived, The man from the window left. The door. Sa door dumadaan eh. Okay guys, nakaligtas tayo. Success. Success ang buhay tayo. Hindi na ko si Baby Bunny sa si Mami Bunny. Ilaki na yung pito. Oh. Si Mami Bunny, isang tinakot mo na yung halimaw. Ang laki-laki mo, kinaya mo sana siya. Mama, is he gone? He's gone, don't worry. Hooray! I knew you could do it. Oh no. What? Mama, get on the donuts I wanted one. Oh my goodness, God, this came like that. Kala ko naman kung ano nangyari. I'll bring you some from work tomorrow, okay? Okay. And Junior, huh? No more curse books, alright? I end up to dealing with that again. But what are we gonna do about the woman from the door? Oh,
Nagkakasama.